Guys, in the forex market, the trend will always be your friend, but not when the trend want to change. You will see the market is going to kick your ass sticking to the directional buyer. Almost throughout January, price have been ranging on dollar index. Price have been ranging, going up, going down, going up, going down, okay, without no clear direction except from the higher time frame perspective. All right, so this is new week, guys. We are coming back to chart. All right, so because of the market profile, I had to stop trading for like a week plus right now, okay, because of the losses. Thank you. All right, so right now, guys, we are getting back to the market because I think market is getting clearer now, and everything is beginning to be stable. My name is Yukings. As you all know, I trade ICT concept and I share my forex educational knowledge on this YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new trading week, guys, and as we always do, we drop pre-market analysis every single week. All right, so my name is Yukings. As you all know, I trade ICT concept and I share my forex educational knowledge on this YouTube channel. Okay, so maybe this is your first time of joining us, do well to subscribe and also turn the bell notification icon on so that you notified anytime I drop new YouTube video here. Guys, I'll be taking you guys to the chart. We'll be analyzing the market. Let's see where price is heading to next. All right, you know, as I said before, the XY have been ranging, have been consolidating, guys, and without no clear direction except from the higher time frame perspective. All right, and over time, guys, market have not been so stable throughout January, guys, so I had to stay off the market for some time, and now I'm getting back to the markets because market seems to be becoming stable right now. All right, so we'll be analyzing the market. Let's see what is going to happen this week. Is the XY bullish? Is EURUSD bullish or bearish, guys? So I'll be taking you guys to the chart. I'll be analyzing the XY and EURUSD. So maybe if you trade all the USD correlated pairs, you can use my analysis on the XY and determine the direction bias. All right, adding it to your confluence. Okay, and if you trade EURUSD, you can also use my analysis, then add it to your personal confluence and see how you're going to make the most from the market, guys. I trade ICT concept. I'm using the ICT institutional order flow concept to analyze the market right now. Okay, so I'll be taking you guys to the chart. We'll be breaking the chart down starting from the higher time frame perspective. Let's see where price is heading to next. All right, so whenever you get to the chart, you know, you look for just three things. Number one, where is price coming from? Number two, where is price currently? Then once you know where price currently, you'll be able to determine where is the next draw on liquidity. Okay, so just know that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity and vice versa. And personally, I just look for two internal liquidity. So when price takes an external liquidity, which is either old highs or old lows, relative equal highs or relative equal lows. So once a liquidity, external liquidity is taken, then I wait for reversal confirmation, which is mostly swing point or flagship pattern. Then I'll be targeting the opposite joint liquidity, which is the internal liquidity. Okay, and the two major internal liquidities I look for is an FVG and order block. All right, so maybe you'll be following me, you will understand what is FVG or order block, guys. So these are the two internal liquidities I look out for. Okay, so maybe if you wish to learn more, you can join my general Telegram channel, that is UFI Trade Hub. Okay, using the link on the description. Okay, you can join there. We drop daily pre-market analysis. We also drop signals, okay, intermediately. Okay, everything is 100% free. I also have my free classes right there where you are going to learn institutional order flow simplified, okay, using the pin message. Okay, you have access to all our free classes. Okay? So guys, you're welcome back to the chart. This is the XY, that is dollar index. All right, okay, maybe if you trade any other the XY correlated pair, that USD correlated pair, okay, you can use this analysis and modify your direction bias. All right, it's as simple as that. I told you guys that price books majorly based on liquidity, and if you watch my pre-market analysis last week, guys, you can see that I said that price will be expanding to the upside into this gap right here. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame for better direction. So looking at this price, you can see the XY have been closing with bullish candles. About 5 consecutive times have been a bullish consecutive close. Okay, so looking at price right here now, you can see price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity. Now the question is, where is price coming from? You can see price is coming from this FVG right here. So after taking this low right here, it traded into this gap right here. Okay, let's say it's an external liquidity, then into this internal, then expand to your side. Okay, now they have taken this high, then further expanded into the internal liquidity right here. But before the gap right here, you can see this swing high here. Okay, so automatically since price is expanding to the upside, guys, you can see price may be changing direction on the XY. Okay, so what I'm looking at now is price to expand to the upside to fill this gap, then maybe give us a little pullback and continue to the upside. Okay, now let's couple this with the monthly time frame. Okay, so looking at the monthly time frame, guys, you can see what happened, right? The monthly time frame had closed with a swing point. I told you guys, price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity and vice versa, right? So external liquidity was taken. After the external liquidity is taken, then price return into this internal liquidity, this other block. Okay, now once price gets to this other block, you can see this swing point formed and the previous month high taken already. So with this now, overall, you see price is expanding to the upside. You can see a gap right here. Then another drawn liquidity is this buy side liquidity right here into this gap. Do you understand? So it's very, very simple, guys. So based on our long-term bias, guys, I think the XY is expanding to the upside. Okay, so previous week high is taken, so price to fill this gap right here, then maybe a little pullback, then we continue to the upside. Okay, but for this week, guys, I'm bullish on the XY. I'm bullish on the XY. Okay, so price to fill this gap right here, maybe give us a little pullback and continue to the upside. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see where is price coming from. You can see price had taken this high here, then return to this gap as internal liquidity, then continue to the upside. So right now it had taken this high, price had taken this high, then into this high right here. You understand? So that's an external liquidity. So what do you expect? A further expansion to the upside, then returning to the internal liquidity, then continue to the upside. Okay, so that is my expectation on the XY. So I'm more bullish for now. So price will expand, fill this gap, then pull back a little bit, then continue to the upside. The invalidation would be if this low is taken. If this low is taken, then price don't want to expand to the upside yet. Then we'll be changing our direction bias. But for now, we are 100% bullish on the XY, guys. So opposite direction bias on EURUSD. So looking at EURUSD, you can see where is price going to, guys. Price is coming from this gap here, internal liquidity. After taking this low as an external liquidity, it returned into internal liquidity, which is this FVG. Now it's expanding to an external liquidity. So the external liquidity view here is this low here. So that is where price gets into, guys. I'm expecting price to drop into this low here, maybe take it out there now before we'll be looking for a change in bias, maybe to internal liquidity before a continuation to the downside. All right, but for now we are still bearish on USD. Okay, and looking at the weekly time frame, guys, the same narrative. You can see previous week low is taken, then for this low I'm expecting this low is taken, though in the XY the high is taken already, but in the new USD this low is yet to be taken. But I'm expecting price to draw into this low, then take it, then pull back a little bit, then expand to the downside. Okay, so this week I am more bearish on USD. Okay, so as simple as that, guys, keeping it very, very simple. Okay, so anything, whenever what I always do is I maintain my direction bias until I see any reason why I should change my direction, which is mostly if I see a swing point from a liquidity area, then I will change my direction to the opposite direction bias. All right, so that's it, guys. You can join my Telegram group so that you always see my pre-market analysis and know when I change my directional bias. Okay, and once I determine my directional bias from the daily time frame, then I will trade from the 1 hour time frame. Then my entry confirmation will be from 3 minutes to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, keeping it very simple. That is how I trade, guys. That's the directional bias for the XY and USD. Okay, as I had said, if you trade any USD correlated pair, you can see, guys, currently I'm bullish on the XY for now. Then you already know the drawn liquidity. Okay, so that means other pairs like USD CAD will be in line with the XY, but pairs like EURUSD always move in opposite direction. EURUSD, GBP-USD, AUD-USD, and all these foreign currencies, they always move in opposite direction, while pairs that has USD before the main currency always go in line with the XY. Okay, so maybe if you trade any USD correlated pair, you can use this analysis, modify it in line with your complexes, and let's see how you make the most from the market. All right, it's a new trading week, guys. The major thing that is paramount now as a trader is sticking to your trading rules. Okay, sticking to your trading rules. All right, and executing 100%. Once you have a strategy that works in the marketplace, the next thing is to pen it down in form of a rule, then put a proper risk management that you're going to be flowing in execution. The next thing is 100% execution on your live account. All right, on your live account. Maybe you are just a developing trader, you can start with demo accounts to perfect your strategy, then you can move to live account. All right, 100% execution. Then know that this is a game of probability. Okay, like every analysis I've made here, don't take my word for it, because everything is 100% probabilistic. All right, so I'm trying to break market down in line with the current direction bias we have. All right, but we don't know what's going to happen next. But the main thing is, according to Mark Douglas, you don't need to be right or wrong for you to make money from the market. The main thing is sticking to your strategy and executing 100%, managing your risk. Alright, so this week guys, I employ us all as a challenge to do what, stick to our trading plan, execute 100%. So whenever you see your strategy form, execute without fear guys, and allow your edge to play out. Alright guys, I wish us a profitable week. So this week we are making so much money. We'll be coming back, we'll be making back all that January took from us guys. Like January was really crazy guys, but with notwithstanding, we are going to pull back very soon. Okay guys, so till the next time, wish you all good luck and bye for now.